So how can you close the lock screen on your iPhone? Well, it kind of depends on what you mean by that, because if you are on the lock screen like this, well, to get outside of that, of course, you need to swipe up from the bottom by grabbing the handle, and you kind of close the lock screen and get to the home screen with this swipe up. So you kind of like unlock the device. So if you mean that, it's very simple. If you mean closing the lock screen in terms of the features which are available while the device is locked, for that we need to go to settings and find the Face ID and passcode section. Authenticate yourself with the code, and below, when you scroll down, you can see all of the features which you can allow to be accessed while the device is locked, right? For example, some people don't like that the control center, notification center, or some other features are allowed to be used without unlocking the phone, right? So for example, you can see my control center is disabled, and if I turn off most of the things, right, it would mean that I don't have the ability to control anything unless the phone is unlocked. So if I lock it like this, you can see I'm not able to access the control center. I cannot find or see the notifications or even the widgets. Nothing is in here unless I get inside, scan my face, and then I'll be able to access all of the stuff. So if you mean that, then you can find it in the settings, in the Face ID section. And so let me know what exactly you are looking for. Let me know if I helped you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.